In front of me is ALLVIEW X4 Soul Style, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at the very beginning we will open IMEI through the secret code. To do it you have to click on the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *06 pound. And as you can see right here, you've got both IMEI numbers right in front of you. So this is it. You have to click on OK to go back. And now we will open those numbers through the settings. So just click on the settings at first, then scroll down, locate and open about phone. And now just pick status. Under status, go to IMEI information, and right here you've got both IMEI numbers. And if you will tap here, you'll be able to notice serial number. So this is it, that would be all. These are IMEI and serial number of yours. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.